hope this moment finds you in wonderful spirits and that you are enjoying vibrant health and a peaceful heart. It is a joy to have you here as we explore the art of the found garden. There is a unique magic in taking something forgotten and giving it a new life under the sun. Today, we are looking at how to craft a perfectly intimate, tiny rustic garden using upcycled treasures that carry a history all their own. Imagine a corner of your patio that once felt empty and cold, now transformed by the warm, sun-bleached grain of old orchard crates. Stacked with intentional randomness, these crates create a vertical landscape of history. One might hold a cluster of herbs, while another showcases a trailing ivy that spills over the stamped logo of a long-forgotten farm. It is a tiered stage where every level offers a new texture, turning a collection of scraps into a sophisticated rustic display that makes the most of every vertical inch. There is a romantic mystery in a pair of old wooden shutters that no longer hang by a window. Mounted against a garden wall, their slats become the perfect nesting place for air plants and climbing vines. As the paint gently peels and the wood silvers in the sun, the shutters provide a rhythmic architectural backdrop for the chaos of nature. It's a way to bring the shabby chic indoor aesthetic outside, creating a living wall that feels like a piece of art discovered in a hidden courtyard. In a tiny garden, the material of the pots can change the entire mood. Imagine the cool matte gray of a rusted galvanized pail nestled among the soft greens of a fern. These pails, once used for chores, now hold the quiet beauty of the garden. They reflect the morning dew and the golden hour light with a humble grace. Grouped together, they create a sense of cohesion and country living, proving that the most hardworking objects can have the most beautiful retirements. A window frame without glass is like a picture frame for the sky. When leaned against a fence or a brick wall, it invites the garden to grow through its panes. Imagine a delicate jasmine vine weaving its way around the weathered timber, filling the view with fragrant white blossoms. It adds a layer of depth to a small space, suggesting a room that isn't there and a history that lingers. It is a portal to a more tranquil world, where the boundaries between architecture and nature are beautifully blurred. The ultimate rustic luxury is a place to sit and breathe. A bench crafted from the sturdy, rough-cut slats of a shipping pallet feels grounded and honest. Topped with oversized linen cushions and tucked into a corner under a canopy of leaves, it becomes the heart of the garden. It is a testament to resourcefulness, a seat built by hand that invites you to linger. The silvered wood stays cool in the summer, offering a tactile connection to the found materials that make this intimate space feel so personal. Every garden needs a touch of humor and surprise. Imagine a row of old copper or enamel tea kettles, their spouts overflowing with the fleshy, jewel-toned leaves of succulents. These kettles, once the center of a kitchen's warmth, now bring a whimsical Alice in Wonderland feel to a garden table or a stone wall. They are small, portable bits of history that catch the eye and start conversations, proving that even the most domestic of objects can find a wild, beautiful new purpose in the sun. A path doesn't have to be long to lead somewhere special. Using stones gathered from a nearby stream or a forest walk, you can create a winding trail that disappears into a cluster of hostas. These found stones have a natural, irregular beauty that store-bought tiles lack. As you walk across them, your pace naturally slows, and your eyes find the small details, the moss in the cracks, the sparkle in the rock. It is a path designed for the spirit, making a tiny garden feel like a vast, mystical forest. An old painter's ladder, marked with the colorful splatters of past projects, is a vertical garden in waiting. Leaning casually against a wall, its rungs provide a tiered gallery for your favorite plants. Imagine a waterfall of string of pearls on the top step, while heavy terracotta pots of lavender sit below. It makes use of the air rather than the ground, allowing you to surround yourself with greenery without sacrificing space to walk. It's a masterpiece of height and history. As the light fades, the tiny garden takes on a new personality. Simple tin cans, cleaned and punched with delicate, swirling patterns, become vessels for a soft, flickering glow. When a candle is lit inside, the patterns dance across the leaves and the wooden fences, creating a theater of light and shadow. It is a low-cost way to create a high-impact atmosphere, turning a quiet outdoor nook into a magical evening retreat that feels safe, warm, and infinitely inviting. The boundary between the old and the new dissolves when we let nature take its course. In a tiny rustic sanctuary, the outside noise seems to fade, replaced by the quiet character of pieces that have stood the test of time. It is in these small repurposed corners that we often find our greatest sense of peace and a true grounded connection to the world around us.